Welcome back to Beauty and Brains. It's Gabby, and today we are unboxing another Ipsy bag. Yay! As you guys know, once again, I am stationed in Canada. I am currently in Vancouver, and although last month I got my Ipsy Glam bag, I registered for it throughout the month, like in the middle, so I wasn't exactly like upset about me getting it, towards the end of May, the beginning of June. But with this one here, I actually got billed and everything settled at the very beginning of June. So the fact that I just got it is kind of messed up. But anyway, let's get to it. So we have this cute little bag, once again. The theme for Ipsy for June was a collaboration with Petra. So I'm really excited. Opening it up, we have this cute little bag. So there's this cute bag, you have your Ipsy over here, and then you have your little Tetris piece. That is so adorable, and obviously it's like this nice little finish. It feels kind of like faux leather or like a kind of acrylic type feel, so that's really, really nice. Just gonna open it. By the way, this month I actually decided to get add-ons, so my bag is stock full of stuff. It's a lot of stuff this time. I got 3 simple add-ons. First I'm going to go for this little placard. And from the very beginning you have this, and oh, okay. The inside has everything in that's in my glam bag listed here. I'm not actually surprised. I kind of remember what I got, but I don't want to look at the prices or anything like that. Like, I like to look at what I'm getting. I'm not sure what these things are, but they look like lipsticks. And this is talking about the Glam Bag Plus. So I'll put this on the side. Then we put my add-ons on the side so I can tackle those later. I believe that's an add-on. Yeah, so let's get started. I am going to pull out the tiniest thing in here. What is this? Oh, okay. So this is Benefit Gimme Brow. And as you can see, it's really adorable. It's a tiny deluxe sample. And the color right here is going to be a neutral light brown. And I'm just going to open it and do a little swatch. Neutral light brown number 3. This looks so light for my hair. When it came to my Ipsy profile, I put that I have dark brown here. I don't know why they put neutral light brown. Let me just open it. And it's this tiny, tiny little applicator. It's really small. And that is way too light for me. I don't know why they gave me this. I don't think I can actually use it. Yeah, you cannot see that at all. This is a waist and this one is a bust. So moving on. Okay, so I remember this one. This one is Pixi by Petra, and the color is in Sheer Rose. So it's a little Pixi lip gloss. It's supposed to be slightly lip pumping, and it's a really nice cover. Okay. Alright, so we have Sheer Rose. It looks a lot nicer. Oh, ooh, that just scooped out. This a swatch here. It looks really, really sheer, but I can see that there is some potential color, so I'm going to put it on the palm of my hand, and as you can see, there is a bit of color there, but on my skin it just looks like a nice clear gloss, which I'm not mad about. I don't feel much of a cooling sensation either. Although this is supposed to, it does smell minty, but that's the extent of it, so I'm okay with this. I don't mind it. Next one. Okay, so we have a mini highlighter. It's Contour de Force mini highlighter in number 1 Champagne. Just gonna open it up. Ooh, that is cute. Highlighter, this is what I got. Yeah, I'm genuinely confused because in my emails and everything online, this is not my bag. It didn't say that I was getting this. I thought I was gonna get the Tetris X Ipsy highlighter, and it was like a beautiful golden color, and I got this one instead, and I was supposed to get like a dark brown or black of this. I believe this is not my Ipsy bag. Huh. I'm upset. So, I guess, highlighter. Let me just do a swatch. And it's a really nice champagne color. There's a lot of yellow because of my lights. But it's a really nice champagne color. So, yeah, that's highlighter. Yeah. Next one. So this is definitely supposed to be in my bag. And it's this Pearlies watermelon peel off mask. It's supposed to be watermelon energizing marshmallow peel off mask, and it's supposed to just go on the skin and I don't know, dry and peel off like normal peel off masks do, I guess. I saw this online. I saw the lady like try it out and everything, and honestly it looked kind of strange. So just gonna plop that there. And it's really sticky. It smells, ooh, it's sparkly too. Like, do you see those little sparkles? It's really sparkly. It's really cute. It's already tacky. And when it dries, I guess I'll peel it off. But yeah, I'm not mad at this one. I'm happy with what I got with these two. But the last one from the actual Ipsy bag is the Tetris X Ipsy Lip Balm. Now, the problem with this one is they didn't say I was gonna get a lip balm. I was supposed to get the highlighter. We have this cute little outer covering. It's a really nice packaging. It's pretty cute. This is lip balm I33T. Yeah, I don't see an actual shade for it. Ooh, look at the little Tetris items on the side. That is pretty adorable. Then I'm going to like do it up. And it has that thing from the actual pamphlet. So it's like this one with the pink in the middle. That's how it looks. It's really, really cute. I mean, that's pretty cool. Don't like lip balm. Didn't say I like lip balm. I don't think this is my bag. Because that is the third thing. That was not mine. Alright, on to my add-ons, things I actually chose myself. Thing that I'm actually excited about trying is this banana powder. And this is the banana setting powder from Bella Pierre Cosmetics. Yeah, it has really big holes, so I assume this is going to be pretty messy. And I'm just going to take my brush. Not going to see much of a difference, but oh well. It lives up to my expectations, so I have banana setting powder. Yay! Yes, next is this Hey Honey Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Yogurt Recovery Mask. And this one is another add-on that I bought. This thing is dirty. Why is this dirty? I'll just dab it with my paintbrush. Alright, so I'm going to do a little thing here. Ooh! Oh, it smells so good. Just massage that in. It smells like what the ingredients are, which is wild berry and yogurt. I don't smell honey like that, but ooh, my skin feels really soft, really good. I really like it. Yes. My go-to. For ingredients and directions, go to heyhoney.com. They could have just put it here, but okay, Hey Honey. I actually really like this. This is probably why I chose it, because I knew it was going to smell good. I know that I would have liked something like this because I've been a little bit more into skincare lately. So yeah, so good choice for me. And for the last thing, I got a last add-on. It's from Jolie Cosmetics, and I got a liquid cream lipstick. I love this packaging. It's rose gold. Like the writing is in rose gold, and if you don't know me, you should know that I love rose gold, okay? If I could gilt myself in rose gold, I would. Ooh. Okay. I like this. So, this has a nice gold top. It has a nice frosting thing. It feels really, really nice. I like this. And I am going to do a little swatch. Probably on the back here. Ooh. It goes on pretty creamy. It says Luxe Cream Matte. I guess it's a matte. I don't see any shimmers or anything. As I expected, like looking at this initially, it looks a little bit more brown than I was expecting. But like looking at this here, it actually looks more burgundy and like pink like I was expecting. So I'm really happy about this. So let's go to the actual value of everything. They don't have the actual value. They don't have prices on this. They actually just have the items themselves on it. So yeah, I can't really tell you the price of this, but I will put it in the little bar down below, the prices of each item, the total value overall, and if it actually was a good value. I would say for this month, this bag is really cute. I really like it. I am obviously upset because I did not get the items that they said that I was getting. I will probably put a screenshot of what my order actually looked like. In my emails and everything leading up to this point and what my expectations were, I really do believe that they mixed up my order with someone else's order. If I am wrong and they did change my thing online, that's kind of messed up. Let me peel it off. Ooh. 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 It leaves my skin smelling like watermelon, and it comes off pretty easily, so all in all, a good peel off mask. It's not gonna rip off your eyebrows, hopefully. This month was a flop. I really did not like it. I didn't get what they told me I was gonna get. The items that I did like were 3 items that I picked out myself. Obviously I would like them because I picked them out myself, and then these 2 are things that I liked. So I got 5 things out of it that I liked, and 3 things that weren't even mine. You know, late shipping, wrong orders, dirty products. Like, no, it's a no for me for June. I am going to do it for July to see if they redeem themselves. I am going to put in a complaint as well. If you guys want to follow that, please follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram as well. My handle on both of them is Beauty and Brains Incorp. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If there's an update, I'll put it in the description box down below. And if you want to see more subscription boxes like this, then stay tuned. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you later. Bye.
My life start out, me nah no complain. Pretty on your phone screen, I drive you insane. I'm in my own lane. Beauty and the brain.
Just as a quick update, guys, I am currently getting replacements shipped to me, and I should get them within the next 2 weeks. A quick shout out to Christian, who is the Ipsy customer service guy who helped me. So your girl is good now. I'll catch you guys later, and until then, party, party, party. Hey, bye.